Welcome to Tip 40. Tip 40 is about PM, TPM, preventative maintenance and total productive maintenance, and having it in place for the key equipment and key machines in your factory. If you spend 100 grand, £500,000 on a machine, you want it to wash its face, you want it to give you value for its lifetime. Ideally, so that come the end, in 10 years, 15 years time, you've got running cost only, it's fully depreciated and it's still delivering value to you. That doesn't happen by accident. You have to look after it, do your PM and TPM. So a machine's going to hurt you in three ways. It's either going to be broken, it's going to be not running to the speed you designed it to with the tooling, or it's going to be making bad ones. There are four types of maintenance: breakdown maintenance, preventive maintenance, corrective maintenance, and maintenance prevention. I'm not going to go into depth on that, but they go from fixing a broken machine all the way through to designing machines that don't break down so often, zero stop. Your PM is what your maintenance department will do: periodic checks, periodic refurbishment, periodic periodic checking of the way the machine operates. TPM is what your associate does. It's frontline maintenance. So to do that, it's a parent-doctor-child relationship. The child is a machine, the parent is the operator, they know it well, they can see when it needs its nose wiping, they see when it's got a little cold, they're calibrated to it. The doctor, who gets called less often when there's something more serious, is the maintenance person. Your operator, who does a TPM, they can do their TPM, the simple stuff, and you can decide what they can do based on safety and based on ability. They'll do stuff like checking sight gauges, lubrication levels, pressures, etc. You can manage this with something like a commission buy board that you can see here, with a T-card system. Here's an example of one we've put into a client. And this is supported by a number of one-point lessons, and you can see a one-point lesson here. Again, a good example of a strong one-point lesson. Where do you put this in place? Well, if you've got 100 machines in your plant, you can't do this everywhere straight away. You focus on key machines. Gateway machines, start of the process so you don't starve the process. Bottleneck machines where there's a high loading. Machines where there's no contingency. It's four fingers now, too early. And fourthly, machines where maybe you've got to get exotic spares that come from Mars or something. You know, it's hard to keep these machines going. So PM, TPM, very important to basic stability in your shop, making sure that the right people are engaged in doing it. If you're enjoying these videos, don't forget to like and subscribe to our YouTube channel.